Hi friends, warm welcome to all. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. In last session we had learned like how to download the Power BI desktop application. Today we will go through the interface of the Power BI. Once you click on the Power BI icon which is visible on your desktop, looks like this, okay? Click on that Power BI icon. You will be getting page like this. From this page, click under option as blank report. When you click on blank report, you will be getting an interface which look like this. So on top section, you can see the ribbon which has file, home, insert, view and command for those ribbons. Okay. Here on right hand side, we can see different pane which we will be using as per the dashboard report data. Under this you can see the table options. Visualization is the graphical user interface. With the help of this you will be creating reports or dashboard. Filter, you can filter the data as per your choice. Like if you want to find out the maximum sales, then you can do as per this filter. So these are the three panes visible on right hand side. You can expand or collapse these panes. Okay. So let's come to the left side. On left hand side, we can see some view as report view, table view, model view and DAX. So report view is this white color canvas page where you're going to make a dashboard. In table view, you can see the table. In model view you can see the connection between all the tables. If you have multiple tables, then you can build connection between those tables. In DAX query you will be writing query and getting result as per your query. So we will click under option as report view. Now coming to the bottom part of this page, bottom side you can see the desktop layout view. This one is desktop layout view. We have the second option as mobile layout view. If you're publishing report for your desktop or laptop, then you will be selecting the option as desktop layout view. A report will be visible in a form of desktop view. If you click under mobile layout view, same report will get changed as per the mobile device, so that you can publish that report on mobile device. So we will click on under option as desktop layout view, and here we can see pages. So this dashboard report can have multiple pages, same as your Excel worksheet. You can add, you can delete, even you can rename the pages as per your requirement. Like rename, see. Okay. So also you can move these pages from here till here. How you move your worksheet, same way you can move your pages, you can rename it, you can delete the pages, you can add the pages as per your report. Now, how to get data in Power BI? To get data, there are two methods. First is on from this white page, you can see you can insert data from this option, or simply you can click on home and get data. You can see multiple options. You can get data from different sources. Here you can add data to your report using Excel, SQL, blank report, sample data, and get data from another source. Same options are available here. Okay. If you click under more, you can see all the options from where you can get the data or report. Example, data from Salesforce. So you can write here Salesforce directly. So you can get data from that Salesforce. So today we will just click under option as Excel, and from this Excel you will open your Excel file. Click under open, which you can see in your system. Okay, opening, and once you click on open the Excel file, you will select the worksheet from which worksheet that table is, and then load. However, we will be covering this get data option in next lecture too, so no need to worry. And so today we had just explore the option as interface of Power BI. How does it look? How does the screen look? And in next lecture we will go through the get data and how we can load that data in Power BI. Thank you for